Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget terrariums for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're just starting out or looking to add a budget-friendly option to your collection, this video has you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Smartang Jumping Spider Enclosure. This terrarium is specifically designed for small creatures like jumping spiders, mini frogs, or tiny reptiles, making it an excellent choice for niche hobbyists. Its seamless design ensures that your pets stay securely inside, while the two-door setup allows easy access for feeding and decorating without disturbing the habitat. The build quality is where the Smartang Enclosure shines. Made from high-quality acrylic, it offers 95% transparency, providing a crystal-clear view of your mini ecosystem. The watertight bottom is perfect for substrates requiring moisture retention, adding versatility to its use. However, due to its compact size of 3 by 3 by 6 inches, it's best suited for very small species. In terms of value, this enclosure is ideal for beginners or kids who want a small-scale project. That said, the limited size and specific design may not work well for larger plants or animals. Pros include its durable build, watertight bottom, and beginner-friendly design. Cons: it's not as versatile as some of the other options on this list. If you're looking for an affordable, ready-to-use habitat for your tiny friends, this is a great place to start. At number 4, we have the PYF Crafts DIY Terrarium Kit for Adults. This comprehensive kit is perfect for those who want to create a self-sustaining ecosystem with minimal effort. It includes all the tools, soil, moss, and activated charcoal you need to build a beautiful terrarium. Plants not included, so you can fully customize your creation with succulents, ferns, or air plants. The design is straightforward, yet effective. The 1-liter glass terrarium is compact and lightweight, making it easy to fit into small spaces. The included bamboo tools are a thoughtful addition, allowing you to handle delicate plants with precision. The kit also comes with step-by-step instructions, making it approachable for absolute beginners. However, its customization options may be a bit limited if you're looking to create something more elaborate. In terms of value, this kit is great for casual hobbyists or anyone looking to dip their toes into terrarium building. Pros include its ease of use, complete starter tools, and clear instructions. Cons: the lack of included plants means you'll need to purchase them separately, which can be an additional cost. Overall, this kit is a solid choice for anyone wanting a low-maintenance and fun DIY project. Coming in at number 3, we have Closed Terrariums Made Simple by Dominique Swaim. This Kindle edition is not a physical terrarium, but rather an invaluable resource for beginners. Priced at just $6.99, this book is packed with everything you need to know to create stunning, budget-friendly closed terrariums. It's perfect for those who prefer a guide to customize their projects from scratch. The book offers a step-by-step approach to building and maintaining miniature ecosystems. Dominique Swaim covers sustainable and easy-to-follow techniques, ensuring you don't need expensive materials or prior experience. Clear instructions, along with vivid images, make this a fantastic resource for visual learners. While it's not a physical product, the value it provides is undeniable. If you're eager to learn the art of terrarium building without committing to a pre-assembled kit, this book is a must-have. Pros include its affordability, wealth of knowledge, and beginner-friendly format. The only downside? You'll need to purchase materials separately, which might add to the overall cost. Still, it's an excellent investment for any aspiring terrarium enthusiast. At number 2, we have the Premium Small DIY Terrarium Kit by Creations by Nathalie. This kit is ideal for those who love a touch of luxury in their DIY projects. It comes with high-quality materials like potting soil, reindeer moss, pebbles, and amethyst crystal chips, ensuring your terrarium is as stunning as it is functional. The design of this kit emphasizes creativity and quality. It's hand-packed in the USA, and the materials were carefully curated to support succulent, cacti, or air plant arrangements. The included tools make assembly a breeze, and the ample supplies allow for multiple projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, this kit offers plenty of room for experimentation. While it's slightly more premium than other kits, the value is evident in the quality and quantity of materials provided. Pros include the beautiful crystals, ample supplies for multiple projects, and detailed instructions. Cons: it doesn't include a container, so you'll need to source your own. If you're looking for a high-end DIY terrarium kit, this one is tough to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Maxdot Glass Plant Terrarium Kit with Light. This versatile product is not just a terrarium. It's a multifunctional display for plants, moss, mini gardens, and even betta fish. Its standout feature is the adjustable LED light, which allows you to control the lighting intensity and humidity levels inside the terrarium. The build quality is impressive, with high borosilicate glass offering excellent clarity and durability. The rotating lamp base and adjustable opening provide additional functionality, giving you control over ventilation and ensuring your plants thrive. It's a fantastic option for both plant lovers and those interested in aquatic displays. In terms of value, this kit is a winner. It's perfect for beginners and advanced hobbyists alike, offering versatility and a sleek design that fits beautifully in any home or office. Pros include the efficient lighting system, sturdy glass build, and multi-purpose design. The only downside is that it's slightly heavier and larger than other options, which may not suit everyone's space. Overall, the Maxdot kit is the ultimate combination of style, functionality, and value, making it our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing the perfect budget terrarium for your needs. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about these products or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy terrarium building.